Grimping, Kendrip, Russian, anyone and name don't want to call me, yeah man, I'm me that. Welcome to the channel. So, I see them type of thumbnail more time than I want to see them, and trust me, they don't look good. You don't need to stop make them things. Alright, so on YouTube, I have a thing we call CTR, where basically click-through rate. We talk about to like, yeah, just pick sense out of that click-through rate. That's how we tell you how much people see video and then click on it. So like, if your click-through rate all go low, yeah, that means all the people see video but they not click on it. That don't mean say video bad, but YouTube I got think say the video terrible. If people see it and not click on it. The thumbnail and the title, that I think that will make people click on your video because obviously they can't really see more. When you dip on your laptop, you can put the mouse over it and then you see like one little preview of where you're going in a video. But like no harder. But still, you need to have good solid thumbnail and solid title. And if you have good title and the thumbnail look like one of them things, then people not going to click on that. Alright, think about it. What make you click on that specific video? Probably because I title or thumbnail. So if you have them things they are going for you, then yeah, you don't know things are going. In my opinion, I say it title easy to come up with. It title easy to come up with. You can't really build like a title where like super clickbait, because like if people do click on it and then them watch like 5 seconds of the video, YouTube, and then them click off, YouTube are gonna still consider the video bad because people click on it but not stay. So YouTube are gonna think say yeah, you clickbait them, which more than likely that happen. If them click on it, watch 10 seconds and left, more than likely that one you clickbait them. The type of thumbnail wanna make them supposed to be clickbait, but like in a different way. And like, let me explain that. Like say you go build a thumbnail about I don't even know, some prank business, right? I consistently just talk about pranks, general. So if you go build something like a prank thing and you put like a damn picture with friggin' Beyonce on the thumbnail or something like that, then you know, and then people click on that because them see Beyonce and then them jump in the video and then there's no Beyonce in the video. Then that's like terrible clickbait. You get me? I say terrible clickbait. Nobody not like that. Me not like that. Me sure you not like that either. So yeah, nobody know want that type of clickbait. But if you make a type of clickbait, like say you're gonna make your same thing. Example, you're gonna make your same thing like you prank them, but like you put something extreme, like something more extreme than what actually happened in a video. Right? Like example, let's say somebody like throw water upon you, like water spill upon you by mistake. Yeah, you make a thumbnail with somebody have a cup of throw water upon you. Like you have to make it more extreme than what actually going in a video most times. Because if something extreme in the video, you don't have to kill up yourself, you know. But if something not that extreme in a video and you want people to click on it, but you don't want to make it completely far off from what actually happened in a video, because nobody not like that, me not like that. Favorite video, like if I see something like look extreme in a thumbnail, I click on it. If something that extreme happened in a video but still close to what they're on the thumbnail, then I not vex or nothing. And most of the time I not even remember why I made click on the video. Like most of the time I don't even remember what they in the thumbnail. Yeah, most of the time most of the time I don't remember what they in the thumbnail. But this is it. In that moment there, when them see thumbnail, you have to make sure say yeah man, them feel like say yo, them have to click it, them have to know what I'm in that video. You see me I said that you have to feel like, you have to make them feel like them have to know what going, like them have to click this. If them not click this, then them are dead, you see me? Yeah, you have to make sure say yo, them want to click it, you see me? Just make sure they want to click it. So them type of thumbnail I'm still wanna build with wanna just show some big old purple text with a yellow outline in Ronnie and some big old black something with buckler. I know. Them don't look good. You see me? And as I say still, if you don't want, like if you don't know if you build a thumbnail and just try a thing, sure, you're gonna get better after a while, so go and build a thumbnail them if you don't really feel like to do that. But as I say, them things they not slap still, you see me? Oh, and yeah, if you don't want me build a thumbnail like my type of thumbnail them, you man just slip up on IG, oh Kendrip, you don't know, always be plugging, yeah, you see me? Yeah man, just buy me a flow card, you see me? A bills card and link me up on IG. No, seriously, you know, just buy me a flow card and link me up on IG and me match up a thumbnail phone. Just send me a picture, me match up a thumbnail phone, easy, make it look just like mine them. Or way you want to look. Can't send me a thumbnail you want if it copy if it look like and I copy it and build it over like. Easy as that. As I say still, stop make them kind of thumbnail, make better thumbnail. If you can't make better thumbnail, link me up on IG, buy me a flow card, a bills card, a 2 bills card, bills per thumbnail. Yeah, I just invent that business. Real business man. Yo, just let me point you that bills thing and match up on my thumbnail phone. You see me? That make them foolish. That make them foolish. Nobody now click on them, no man. Build a thumbnail phone and people click on that. View the video. Get enough views. You see me? Yeah, mad.